Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Sayyid Shafat Ali Shah. Today our topic is matter and energy. First of all, we study about matter. What is matter? Those things which occupy space, weight and has mass is known as matter. Matter is made up of the tiny particle which is called atom. Matter is the fundamental stuff that makes of the universe. If we observe our daily lives, we find many things around us that have some structure, some shapes and some composition. There are the three states of matter. First of all, we study about solid. What is solid? A state with a fixed shape and volume where particles are tightly packed each other. Table, chair, pen, pencils, these are the examples of the solid. Now, second one is liquid. What is liquid? A state with a definite volume but no fixed shape. The density of a liquid is usually close to the solid and much higher than a gas. Water, oil, honey, milk and petrol, diesel, these are the example of liquids. Now third one is gas. What is gas? A state that has neither a fixed volume or shape. A pure gas is made up of the individual atoms and the molecules. Air, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, helium are the examples of the gas. Now we study about energy. What is energy? The capacity and the ability to do work is known as energy. Energy is depend upon the physical change, chemical change or reaction. Energy cannot be destroyed but it is changed from one form to another form. There are the various forms of energy: thermal energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, gravitational energy, light energy, mechanical energy, nuclear energy and so on. The potential energy is the main form of energy. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.